Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Natalie Couture Events Live DIY. Today we're going to be by the water. I hope you enjoy this one. Good morning. So I'm wearing my shades today because two reasons. One, because it's hot out here. And two, for all those shade y'all going to throw at me because I know I said this was going to be before 9 o'clock. It's actually 10:05 right now and I'm just getting started. Man, we're not going to talk about it, but yeah. But I'm just happy to start, right? So we're going to get started today. Like you see in the flyer, we're going to be doing something by the lake, by the water. I was telling you guys yesterday, I love being outside. I love being in nature. I love being by the water. I love being like in the forest and stuff like that. So we're going to be doing this. And we're going to be setting up for 2 again today. So that way it's going to go by really fast. And I only wanted to go by fast because, you know, I'm like, I'm not in my neighborhood. And I don't know how these people around here function and operate. And I don't want to cause any issues. I mean, not going to be an issue, but, you know, how some people is. So I'm not in my neighborhood, so I'm going to make it fast so I can get out of these people's space. But anyway, I mean, it shouldn't be a problem. I live in Charlotte, North Carolina. This is Charlotte. I pay my taxes here as well. So I actually rented this venue before to do events, so it shouldn't be a problem. But we just don't know. We just live in a different time right now. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. And today's design is going to be by the water, like you see right behind me. So I'm doing an apple green tablecloth. And actually, it's not wrinkled. This is just the style. This is called crinkle. It's like a crinkle design. So yeah. So and then I'm using my blinger trousers. These my blinger trousers. So those are the ones that I actually made. Those were like regular silver, and I just added gems to the rims like this to bling it out a little bit. This is something you can do too. And all right, let's get started. And I'm gonna use my little bling out candle holders. Bling bling, yes, yes. It's gonna be a bling out there. Oh, look at that bling all on my face. I love it. Yeah. So oh, I just do regular like water goblet. Forgot to say that. I'm going to be using this lamp for my centerpiece. Guys, I told you guys, I love going to the Goodwill. She'll be like, you don't look like a Goodwill shopper. I do. I'm a Goodwill shopper. I mean, I shop for clothes, but I shop for other amazing things, right? I'm going to be using this one as a centerpiece today. And then I'm going to add some flowers to the top. Of course, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going to. I'm actually at Freedom Park. Somebody messaged me that I'm actually at Freedom Park. You guys know where Freedom Park is. Well, those of you that live in Charlotte, know where Freedom Park is. Yes, but yeah, I'll come to your for your birthday party. Of course, I will when I get off this live. I do have an appointment at 11:45, so it depends on like my time. But I'm gonna message you back today. I'm gonna message you back today. All right, so it might be right after the live or after my other appointment. All right. Yes, honey. So I actually do those white flowers, and I actually added some of these so I can get some height. I love height. Like if you like if your venue have like high ceiling, it's really great to do like high centerpieces so you can utilize all the space in the room. So it kind of like make it look like more grand than if you have like if you was on the live yesterday and you recognize those the centerpieces that I used was like shorter, like it was just right on the table. Like those are finest too. I love those as well, but you just kind of have to know like your venue space, the height, the width, the length. There's a lot that you gotta know when you're going into designs. It's something that you'll actually catch up as far as the more you do, the better it's gonna get. The better you're gonna get at it. So yeah. Alright. But I'm not done yet. I have a couple more things I'm gonna add. Yeah. So today we're gonna be just doing regular white napkins, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just stick it into the glass. So this is my napkin like this. I just hold in the middle like this. I just bend it over, and I'm gonna stick this piece down in the glass. And but you can see that, right? And it's gonna napkin. Wow. It create its own like. Remember I was telling you guys that I don't like to like force things. I like things to just flow on its own. So that's one thing. But look at this. You see the napkin? So it just falls together. All right. So I'm gonna put up my silverware, forks on the left, knife on the right, on the tip of the glass. All right. I'm not gonna do no plates on this design. I could have done like I wanted to do like the clear plates, or I could have do white on here, but no, we don't really need the plates. Right? All right, almost done. My bad. Those are tea light holders. I'm using different sizes so I can get different like size on the table instead of everything just like. I'm using different sizes, different heights. All right. So yeah. If you guys look at my shade, you can see that we have an audience. They're making me nervous, but it's okay. We're gonna keep going. up the table numbers. I'm in love with acrylic things now. I'm in love with acrylic table numbers, acrylic menus, name card, place cards. I love it. I just love it. Yeah, they are a little bit expensive, but that's fine. I mean, you love what you love, right? So I'm not gonna add water in this one. You know, you can actually add water so you can have the candle float in. I like told you guys it was going to be really quick today because I'm actually done with the setup. I told you I wanted to be very quick and out. So what I did, I pre-did my centerpieces. Well, I did it when I got here, but I pre-did it before I got on the live because I didn't want to be on the live for a very long time. And because, like I said, I'm not in my neighborhood. But so, voila. Hold on, let me take it. Oh, I think I have this filter on. Let me take this filter. Okay, much better. I think you can see much better. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip the camera. So this is actually what it look like. Yes. Wait, I can't see the wall. I can't see the. Oh, you know what? I have my tables. I forgot I have my chairs. Not my tables. I have my chairs. We don't really need the chairs because the chairs is gonna go on the back of it, so you can really see it with the chairs in the everything. So that's what it's gonna look like. And I hope you love this. I'm going to edit this and post it on the YouTube channel, and there's going to be a link of where you can like purchase the stuff on the video. I mean, under the video there'll be a link where you can purchase the stuff. Yesterday when I mentioned that I was something, my video got muted, so I'm going to wait till the very end before I before I say what I said yesterday and got my video muted because I don't want my video to be muted again. I was just talking away yesterday and there was no sounds on the video, but right, so this is what I did, right? I hope you like it and you guys enjoy your rest of your day. And like I said, so I am an Amazon influencer, and the information is going to be on the YouTube and Amazon where you can purchase all the stuff. So I don't know if the video is muted now, but I said it. All right, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching my live DIY. This video was unedited, so you get the full version. Bye.